In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add space before capital letter in Excel. If you've ever received data where words are jammed together in camel case, like first name, last name, or product ID number, you know how hard it is to read and sort. The quickest way to fix this, without writing a single formula, is to use Excel's Flash Fill. You'll give Excel one clear example of what you want, and it will do the rest down the column. Start by clicking the cell where you want the cleaned-up version to appear. This is usually right next to your original text, so Excel can recognize the pattern. Keeping the original data intact is a good habit because it lets you compare results and keeps your source column unchanged. Now, separate the words for just the first entry. Look at the original text and type it the way you want it formatted, adding a space before each capital letter that starts a new word. For example, if the original cell says first name, last name, type first name, last name. If it says product ID number, type product ID number. Be precise here. This single example teaches Excel the rule. Wherever a new uppercase letter starts, insert a space. Take a second to double-check what you typed. A clean first example leads to clean results. With that example in place, press Ctrl+E to activate Flash Fill. Excel scans the entries in the original column, recognizes the pattern from your example, and instantly fills the rest of the column with correctly spaced text. If you see a preview, confirm it, and you're done. If nothing seems to happen, make sure your example sits directly beside the original data and that it clearly shows the spaces before the capitals. You can also trigger Flash Fill from the Data tab if shortcuts are turned off. On a Mac, use Command+E. Take a moment to scroll through the results. If something looks off, press Ctrl+Z to undo. Adjust your first example, and try Flash Fill again. Remember that Flash Fill writes values, not formulas, so your new column won't update automatically if the original data changes. If your source list is still evolving, just rerun Flash Fill after updates. That's it. Click the destination cell, type one well-formatted example with spaces before each capital, and press Ctrl+E to let Excel finish the job. It's fast, accurate, and a great way to make messy camel case instantly readable.